Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to refill AC refrigerant in a Toyota Sienna. First, prioritize safety by gathering your tools, including a manifold gauge set, and always wearing eye protection and gloves. Before touching anything, make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off. This ensures a safe working environment for everyone involved. Next, locate the low-pressure service port on your Toyota Sienna's AC system. It's usually found on the larger diameter line and often has an L cap. Carefully connect the Bluehost from your manifold gauge set to this low-pressure port. Remember, only connect to the low-pressure side. Leave the high-pressure port untouched and capped. Now, start your Toyota Sienna's engine and turn the air conditioning to its maximum cooling setting with the fan on high. Begin slowly adding refrigerant to the low-pressure side, carefully monitoring the pressure reading on your manifold gauge. Continue adding until the pressure stabilizes within the recommended range, typically between 30 and 40 psi. Avoid overfilling. Once the refrigerant is at the correct level, carefully disconnect the manifold gauge set from the low-pressure port to prevent any leaks. Turn off your engine and test the AC system for proper cooling. Listen for any unusual noises, which could indicate other issues. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated on the go. Enjoy your newly cooled ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.